Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I would like to thank organization. I would like to thank organizers of ICESK 2021. And in today's talk, basically I will discuss about that. What are the changes get possible due to IoT technology come in field of agriculture? In today's talk, outline of session is basically I give at first idea about that in brief, like a 1 minute idea about that what is Internet of Things, then what is the exact meaning of smart agriculture, then application of IoT in agriculture, what is the need of that and how it get implemented, what is the benefit of adopting IoT in agriculture. Actually, in that talk, I did not go in more depth in technical wise. Basically, I try to cover about that, what are the challenges in field of agriculture, and when new technologies come in field of agriculture, new technology name is Internet of Things. Then how Internet of Things get help us to minimize the challenges in field of agriculture, how it increase the productions, and how it give the other benefits in field of agriculture. Because day by day our populations get increases, and feeding to entire population with nutritious food is the world biggest challenge. That development is secondary. Primary thing is that to feed peoples with good nutrition foods. There is a lot of new technologies come that in nowadays, like AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, and deep learning. They are helping human to get their tasks done with the least effort. Because human effort is the big thing that, and every technology motto has single motto. Motto is that to minimize human efforts and increase the production. That to meet the need of that growing population, as I told that world population is day by day growing, that agriculture industry will have to adopt new technology to gain much needed is. Agriculture through IoT will enable the industry to increase operational efficiency, lower cost, reduce waste, and improve the quality of their yield. Now I come first important thing, what is Internet of Things. Hopefully you people are aware that, but for just making the background of talk, I just again give idea about that, what is IoT things. In layman language, if any physical object plus some set of sensors and plus internet, combinedly these entire things called as Internet of Things. In entire talk, I try to give importance that if sensors, internet, or physical object, all things get matches, then how it create regulation in field of agriculture. Basically, Internet of Things is a network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software, and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other device and system over the internet. It's a standard definition according to Wikipedia. Now I come to term smart agriculture. If you see the term smart agriculture, then smart agriculture has basically two terms. One is agriculture, another one is smart. Means that those are traditional agricultural paripati or agriculture process. We make it a smart. question arises that how we make it smart and what benefit we have if entire agriculture become the technology oriented, that then what we have benefit that. A smart agriculture is a topic, it's come under the ICT, information and communication technology in agriculture, and it's covered the many application of IoT technology in farming, agro-technology and agriculture. If we talk about a smart farming or a smart agriculture, a smart farming is a capital intensive and high-tech method of growing food cleanly and sustainably. We can also call it the application of ICT in agriculture. If we do agriculture in a smart way, or if we adopt a smart agriculture, we have so many benefits. Here I want to say some benefits like increased production. Due to advanced technology in agriculture, we can found the 200 times more. Normally, till we have problem in every country about the manpower. Especially if we talk about that Canada, Australia, those countries which has less populations and more bigger fields, that by the help of technology, our production cost of farming decreases that. Our operational efficiencies increases that. In traditional agriculture, we are totally depend on nature. That if nature support that, we found the good production. If nature did not support, even a single day nature did not support in entire crop production period, our entire effort get wasted. But if we adopt a smart agriculture, then our operational efficiency get increases. That prior we have a lot about nature and we can do some alternate. So due to our smart agriculture, definitely our operational efficiency also increase that. Another things, and it's the most important benefit if we adopt a smart agriculture, real-time and intelligent cost management. I just give you one example, real-time and intelligent cost management. Suppose one country has less production of onion, tomato or wheat. If we have exact data about that particular country has less production of onion, wheat or tomato, then we can do the cost management by talking some other country and export of tomato or something. But it get possible how? We have agricultural related analytics. Otherwise, when we start facing sorting of some particular crops, then we try to manage that, and that time cost management did not get effectively managed. So you can see that if we have analytics, IoT based analytics, real-time analytics, then we can easily manage the intelligent cost management. So you can see that like if we adopt a smart agriculture, we have lot of benefit. We increase production, our production cost get decreases, double benefit that production get increases and production cost get decreases. Operational efficiency get increases. It's also help to increase production. Cost management also help that based on analytics, we have idea that where we sold out our crops, so we found the maximum benefit. If we talk about the smart agriculture, then entire smart agriculture we can divide it in 3 subparts. I try to tabulate there. I pick that, I put that picture from some IEEE paper, And here you see that like a smart agriculture get distributed in three fields. One is application, another one is services, another one is sensors. If we talk about applications, we have a lot of monetary applications. First is water and nutrition monitoring, because every country has different water levels there. If we talk about the many countries those are near to sea, Israel and Thailand, these countries have problem about water. So if we have the deep irrigation, IoT based deep irrigation for other water monitoring management, then we can easily improve our agriculture productions. Another thing, another application which come under the smart agriculture is disease and bug monitoring. Because if you did not monitor disease or bug on time, then it damages your production 10% to 90%. And via IoT setups, via drones or via some computer imagery, we can initially monitor bug and we can spray the pesticides, and that way it can help us. Another one is soil monitoring. If we proper monitor about soil, then we have better chance to yield, and if yielding is better, then we have chance to better production. Another thing is crop health monitoring. Suppose based on computer imagery or based on AI smart sensors or AI cameras, we can easily monitor that in entire bigger land where our yielding is bigger and where our yielding is proper. And based on crop health monitoring, we can increase our production. There's a lot of machineries nowadays, robotics based and drone based. There is a lot of machineries, IoT based machineries which get help to increase productions, and it's come under the smart agriculture. About the environment or weather related forecast and all those things, these are also come under the smart agriculture. If we come under the services irrigations, pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, fertilizations, soil preparations, yield condition, yield exploration, these are come under the services which get provided by the help of IoT. These services get provided based on a lot of sensors, like a leaf sensor, steam sensors, temperature sensors, humidity sensors, fruit size sensors, and many more. I give you detailed idea about sensors in our further talk. That now I come that what is the need and implementations of IoT application in field of agriculture. If we talk about the applications of IoT in agriculture, there's a 2-3 type of applications are frequently used. First is robotics based applications. Second is RFID based applications, and third is computer visionary or computer imaginary. There's a lot other also that, but mainly here I want to discuss about that 3 things, application of IoT by using robotics, and then as I told that RFID or radio frequency based thing that, and third one is computer imaginary. If we talk about robotics, the individual revolution in 1800, automation is only getting advanced to efficiently handle more sophisticated tasks and increase production. With increasing demand, shortage of labor across the globe, agricultural robots or commonly known as agri-robot are starting to gain attention among farmers. As I told that previous, labor, shortage of labor is across the globe. And nowadays, robots or robotic is frequently using in domain of agriculture, and it get controlled from manually as well as automated and as well as from remote. If you see about that, how major role of robotics in agriculture, there's a one popular robot is bedding robots, and it get help to remove the unwanted grass from crops. Then another one is machine navigations, we can monitor our crops from remotely via some machines. Another one is harvesting robotics. Nowadays, there is a lot of robots. It has facility to plug land, then put the crops, then monitoring, cut the crops, and other related activities. There is a lot of big and small harvesting robotic machines are nowadays, which get produce better production in agriculture. Then there is another thing is material handling, and last and most important thing is drones. In agriculture, there is a two type of drones are frequently using nowadays. One drones which are moving on ground, another one is flying drones. Both are frequently using in agriculture land. Recently we developed one drone, flying drones, and it has capability to provide all agriculture related problem solutions. We try to, I have patent on that drone, and it has a special feature that it's monitor soil up to crop cutting. Those are agriculture needed. We study the all agricultural need, and then we develop to provide the solution. Like a drone has AI camera as well as sensors which check the soil pH, and then it check the humidity of soil, and then it suggests that according to that soil, or if we put the particular choice that we want to put that crop, then it's provide that according to that crop that soil is not. And same way, what are the requirement of agriculture, we develop according to that drone. And one drone is sufficient to handling the 200 acres of land. And you can see that how IoT based technology minimize the human efforts in field of agriculture, and it's increased the production as well as reduce the cost. Now come that another things, as I told, that RFID based or remote sensing, IoT based remote sensing utilize sensor placed along the farms like weather station for gathering data, which is transmitted to analytical tool for analysis. Sensor and this sensitivity to anomalies. Farmer can monitor the crop from analytical dashboard and take action based on the insight. Basically, how we implement a remote sensing, IoT based remote sensing in agriculture. Basically, we put some sensors in land as well as drone or as well as some farming equipment, and it get help to crop monitoring, weather forecast, and soil quality. And these are three major needs of agriculture, and these are the three major regions which reduces the agricultural production. So you can see that remote sensing, IoT based remote sensing really help us to produce more production in field of agriculture. Now I told that there is a third technology. Now I told that computer imaging. Nowadays there is a lot of AI based camera which we put in the farming land as well as drone, and it get help to quality control, sorting and grading, and irrigation monitoring. Here important thing that what is the meaning of sorting and grading that? Suppose if we talk about the apple farming that, then there is a different size of apples that. So computer imagery camera has capability sort the entire apple in 3 category or 4 categories. So best category is apple found the best cost, and same way there is a lot of land where water issue that. So computer imaging it help us to irrigation monitoring. If we adopt IoT in agriculture, have lot of benefits that. And nowadays most of agriculture is based on IoT. There is a lot of benefits. First benefit is we can monitor the climate conditions. Another thing is that we can perform the precision farming. We can perform the smart greenhouse. We can done the data analytics, and we can do agriculture via agricultural drone. Here, especially I want to mention about the term precision farming. Precision farming stands for that control farming. That you can develop one environment, and it like a control environment help you to produce the better production. That a smart greenhouse is the same type of things of precision farming that, and data analytics so help us to control the country economy by controlling the price and production and all those things in field of agriculture. And agricultural drones provide the all solutions which require for a smart farming. Here again, I want to compile what are the sensor and devices and application used in agriculture which is related to IoT. As I told that there is a lot of sensors and devices are IoT based. Sensor, UV sensor stack, motion detector sensors. Motion detector sensors are used to monitor that animals are not entering in field that so it did not damage agricultural land that. Then PIS sensor, soil moisture sensors that, temperature sensors that, humidity sensors that, and barometric pressure sensors that. There is a few more sensors are used, but these are few popular sensors that. If we talk about applications our entire agriculture, IoT based agriculture application get divided in 3 livestock management. It's related to animal monitoring because agricultural as well as animal both are related to each other. So livestock management, under that we monitor about the animal health, we monitor about heat stress level, physical gesture recognition of an animal, heart rate, GPS based monitoring. Then another term is Precision farming, as I told that it's a control farming, it has a lot of benefit. Under that, we monitor about climate condition monitoring. We monitor about the soil pattern. We monitor the pest and crop disease, irrigation monitoring, optimal time to plant and harvest, tracking and tracing, farm management systems, and third one is greenhouse monitoring. Under greenhouse monitoring, basically we monitor water, plant, weather, and agriculture too. So you can see that like in a smart farming or a smart agriculture or agri-tech did not possible without IoT, and hopefully you have clear-cut picture about that, like how IoT, Internet of Things, make agriculture better and better. Here I put some pictures of real-time technology-based pictures of IoT devices, like a first irrigation controller, a second it's seed and fertilizers, third this one picture is bug detectors, this one is how we IoT based we do crop health assessment, and here are spraying robots, drone based spraying robots that IoT based agriculture has big data analytics, sensing and monitoring, communication protocols, and physical implementations that possible. So hopefully this talk get benefited for you, or if you have any queries, your queries are most welcome. If anyone has any questions, kindly ask your questions, and you can contact me. If you have any query, then you can contact me via my website dnandan.in, or you can contact me on my mail ID dnandan@IEEE.org. If you have any queries, kindly ask your queries. Your queries are
thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Darish. Is there any question, please?
Kindly ask bit louder. Your question, I'm not able to listen your voice.
Okay. Audience, are there any questions? Okay, I have only one question, please.
Yes, sir.
Here in Egypt, here the trend is, the trend of research is using machine learning in agriculture.
Yeah.
So I ask about which is better, using IoT, from your opinion, using IoT or machine learning in agriculture?
If you ask my opinion, then I suggest you go with IoT based analytics, because
why?
If you use machine learning, then you did not sure about the data authentications. But IoT provide the real hardware circumstances where you can collect the exact data, real-time exact data, and then you put the analytics, then you can find the exact result. So my suggestion is that if we want to adopt out of IoT analytics as well as machine learning, then my suggestion is that you can adopt IoT analytics. Any more query?
Thank you, Professor. From me, it is only one question. Is there